It's 4 in the morning. I didn't have my coffee. And I'm starting a 90 minutes hike to get to Lake Sorapis. I didn't even have my coffee. I'm sweating, but quite a nice view from here. The last part is on a steep. I think it's all the 200 meters altitude difference are concentrated here. So I'm not far. I think it's going on 5:30, so soon the sun will be out, and I hope in 10-15 minutes to get to the lake. Refugio. I would say totally worth it to wake up at 4 o'clock and come here. It's just me and Jan now. Nobody else. Quiet, because believe me, after a couple hours this place will be crowded pretty much. And the light is beautiful out there. It's just great. The color is, wow, I can't even describe it. I would like to have, it's kind of our color of the van, a little bit more lighter, but let's enjoy this view. So overall the hike was really good, especially the last part. It's pretty steep, and that's the part that pretty much killed me. But it worth to come here and have this beauty without any people, because seriously in a couple hours will be crowded. So wake up at 4 o'clock and start your hike.